Welcome to a video from thedigitalifestyle.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 21382 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. Just a couple of changes with it and with this build that I'll show you in this video. So what's changed in this build? Right. The first one is bringing HDR support to color managed apps. So they've added a feature so that these type of apps can get full support for HDR displays, and I haven't got any of these on my Surface, and I don't think good old Paint supports it, but let's have a look. So here's the new setting. Use Legacy Display. So here's the new setting to use a Legacy Display ICC color management, and this only has effect when you're in HDR mode anyway. So there's the setting if you want to enable that. Another change that Microsoft mentioned in the blog post was actually introduced a couple of builds ago. Is you can do this these devices by driver, devices by type, to make it a bit easier to find things. So this is highlighted, but I think this was in build 21343, but Microsoft mentioned that on the blog post because it wasn't in previous release notes. The other thing they've changed, the start menu will launch to help people to get the apps they want quicker after a clean install. So that it'll pop up after you've done a clean install or an upgrade is finished. I didn't notice anything different on that. And the File Explorer icon will now show whether it's got contents or not. So they've updated the generic folder icon for File Explorer so it'll show if content is in the folder. Although I'm not seeing that. This has got content in it and it's just the generic one. Maybe I haven't got an empty one. Let's just create a test folder and we'll see. Yeah, I can't see any difference between those, so maybe that hasn't rolled out to my machines. And they've updated the touch keyboard to make use of the new fonts. Sergo UI variable fonts, so there you can see that. So that's it really for the changes. The fixes, there's they fixed some issues with search hanging, they fixed some memory leaks with the DWM process, they fixed some audio issues with ARM64 devices and some black screens when launching games, and they fixed some keyboard issues on Japanese and Chinese languages. There's just the 4 known issues with this actually. The Windows Camera app does not respect the default brightness. Investigate issues where the search may no longer display correctly in dark theme, and news and interest may fly out from the top left hand corner when you click on it instead of just popping up from the bottom. And during the upgrade, the initial welcome screens after signing in, you may see text in New Times Roman, and that's it. So the one that's gone away is the one where the build was hanging for an extended period of time. That was in every release note for at least the last year, but that's gone now. So that's the changes with this build. Not a huge amount to see. I'm hoping we're going to have big UI type new features come in later in the year. We might even see something at the build event later this month, but I'll bring those changes to you when they arrive. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe or like it if you want to, and I'll see you on the next one.